Welcome to Dollars and Dreams with Ankit. Today's topic is the best investments for 2025. What really matters? Your financial future. If you're between the ages of 18 and 30, living in the US, and serious about building wealth, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about the top investments that could set you up for financial freedom in 2025. Yes, 2025 is just around the corner, and the clock is ticking. Now, before you roll your eyes at another best investment video, ask yourself, where do you want to be 5, 10 years from now? Think about it. The choices we make today shape the future we'll live tomorrow. So, if you want to avoid the pitfall of missed opportunities, stay tuned. We're diving into investments that could change your life. Investment number 1, tech and innovation. Let's kick things off with something that's shaping the future, the tech sector. The world is going digital, and investing in tech isn't just about jumping on the latest bandwagon, it's about securing a piece of the future. Think AI, blockchain, and clean energy, industries poised for exponential growth in 2025. Look, I get it. Tech can feel intimidating, but here's the thing. If you're not investing in the future of tech, someone else is. Don't let the fear of missing out keep you on the sidelines. Investment number 2, real estate and emerging markets. Now, let's talk real estate. It's not just about owning a property. It's about owning a piece of the growing wealth that comes with urbanization and population growth. But here's the kicker. Look beyond the US borders. Markets like these are booming, offering you the chance to invest in affordable yet high-growth real estate. The key? Timing and diversification. Get in early, and you could reap the rewards for decades to come. Investment number 3, ETFs and index funds. Now, if you're looking for something simple, reliable, and less risky, let's talk ETFs and index funds. They give you exposure to a broad range of assets, spreading your risk and giving you access to the long-term wealth-building engine of the stock market. Why ETFs and index funds? Because they take the emotion out of investing and let the market do the heavy lifting. But here's the real kicker. Don't wait too long to get started. The sooner you invest, the more time your money has to compound and grow. Investment number 4, cryptocurrency and digital assets. All right, we've covered real estate, stocks, and tech. But let's talk about one more thing that's been making waves: cryptocurrency and digital assets. Whether you love it or hate it, there's no denying it's here to stay. But how do you know if this space is right for you? Cut to dynamic visuals of crypto markets, digital wallets, and futuristic digital currencies. That's a question for you to ponder. Is crypto the future of wealth, or is it just another bubble waiting to burst? Stick around, because in just a moment, I'll reveal the one investment strategy that could tie all of these together and unlock your financial potential. So, there you have it. 4 powerful investment options that could shape your financial future. But here's the real truth. None of this matters unless you take action. Don't let fear, uncertainty, or distractions hold you back. Your journey to financial freedom starts today. Ready to supercharge your wealth? Don't miss my next video where we dive deep into stock market basics for beginners. Start investing today, one of the most important concepts for long-term. Watch next and unlock the secrets to growing your money exponentially. Remember, the future you dream of starts with the actions you take today. Let's make 2025 the year you finally start building the wealth you've always envisioned. Hit that subscribe button and join me on this journey to financial freedom. See you in the next video.